How chips should be. And then there's my fish. Ooh la la, look at that. Wow. The inside. It's the bar area. Where I have got a filter on. It's difficult seeing, but there's lots of customers in here. Very, very busy now opposite where I'm sitting. It's the house. Busy here. Okay, natural flavours, coffee, tea, gelato, food, health. Oh, extremely busy. Walk through the middle. Wow. So just next to the Sky Lounge we have Bien. Good afternoon from Danang here in Vietnam. So it's around about 3:30 p.m. I did actually arrive here around about 3 p.m. It's around about 3:30 p.m. now. I've just been served my food. What I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a restaurant called Paradise, and then I'm going to give you a tour of the beach here in Danang. So my food, I've just ordered simple food. It's a very simple menu. You'll see it when I show you in the video. It's very simple menu, not very many foods available. There is burger and chips, some seafoods available. I've just gone for the standard fish and chips because I do love fish and chips. I have it at many restaurants during travel. So the fish and chips comes with a sauce as well. And for my drink, I'm just going to have a nice cold coconut. So I'm going to give you a review of the food here at the Paradise restaurant here on the beach, and then I'm going to give you a beach tour as well. I think it's My An, the beach is called in this area. I will write that in the video, but it's a very popular beach location. So busy at this current moment in time. It's obviously around about 6 o'clock, I think 6:20, maybe sunset time. So I think the people are loading on the beach now, getting ready for the sunset, coming here at the restaurants, eating. This restaurant that I'm eating at, Paradise, is absolutely loaded with customers. Very, very difficult to get a seat. Had to wait a little bit of time also for my food. I've been waiting about maybe 20 minutes to get served with my food. It was pretty rapido serving me my coconut, and that come within, I'd say, 2 to 3 minutes, but my actual seafood, fish and chips, I've actually been waiting around about, I'd say, 20 minutes to be served. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be having my late lunch today. Paradise. Happy hours on the beers. It's very, very busy inside. It's the bar area where I have got a filter on. It's difficult seeing, but there's lots of customers in here. Customers up there. Lots in here. And then he's sitting down here as well. We have tables and chairs outside. Here. Oh, look how busy it is here. Very busy along the front here. And people are extending and sitting out here. Okay, so here's a look at the menu. This is available in the mornings. I think these dishes on this side up until 3 p.m. and then 3 p.m. until whatever closing time, 8 p.m. is this side. I'm going to be having the fish and chips here, 180,000, crispy prawn, so different things available there. And then we also have a breakfast menu as well. It's served till 3 p.m. Spaghetti is for lunch. Mushroom pasta. And then here's a look at the menu. So they have beers as well. Draft beers available. Coffees available. Fresh juices available. Bottled beers. Smoothies. Tea. I'm going to be having the coconut there, 70,000. Paradise Beach. Lots of cocktails and other drinks as well available. Classic. Stop me if I'm moving too fast. And your shots and bottles also. Many things available there. Very, very busy now opposite where I'm sitting. All the tables here are literally taken as well. Very, very busy on the beach also now. Okay. Okay, so there it is, my fish and chips. Not too much in the way of presentation. Little dipping sauce on the side there. Okay, so here's my coconut. I think this is 70,000 dong, this. A little bit of a funny taste to that one. Here's my chips. We'll start with the chips on this one. We'll have a little dipping sauce as well. Yeah, nice chips. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, just how chips should be. And then there's my fish. Ooh la la, look at that. Wow. Oh, wow. I don't know what it is, but there's nothing quite like fresh fish, fresh seafood. Really, really great tasting fish. That is. So I'm not actually sure what fish it was. I don't know whether it said on the menu. I wasn't actually paying much attention. Just when I see fish and chips, I always order fish and chips. But yeah, that is super fresh, super tasty. Really, really good flavour in that. Okay, so I've just finished my food here at the Paradise restaurant here in Danang. Absolutely fabulous food. Only looks very, very simple in the presentation and the little silver bowl there and the sauce. But simple is usually always best. Keep it simple and the food will be right. Very, very simple menu here. Not many items on the menu. I like that at a restaurant because it means that what they do serve is usually going to be fresh. It's usually going to be tasty and it's usually going to be good. And as so is the case here at Paradise. Fabulous fish and chips, nice cold coconut, reasonably priced. I'm not going to say it's super cheap to some of the restaurants what you can eat at here in Danang, but I'd say it's reasonably priced for a beachfront location. Sat right on the beach. You can see how busy the restaurant is. It's even more busy now. More customers are coming. It's more busy outside as well than when I arrived. It's just absolutely loaded with customers and for good reason. Serves good food. It's very popular, it seems, as well. Bar area with the drinking there. So now I've finished my food. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you a walk along the beach, along not all of it because it's a very long beach, but along some of the sections of beach area here. And just show you some of the other restaurants, some of the other seating areas on the beach. It's very busy on the beach location at this moment in time. So I shall just give you a good tour around so you can know what to expect. Location here in Danang. Okay, so just after my lunch there at the Paradise restaurant, we're going to take a walk along the street. Just give you a look at the street. It's all hotels and everything on that side of the street. On this side we have a collection of like restaurants and places. So just down a little bit further along we have the pasta house. And pastas and pizzas and things available there. So we have a nice little seating area on the beach here. A few people in here as well. Not super busy, but busy enough. People sunbathing under the trees here. Lots of surfers out in the distance there. And here the beach is very busy. Wow, super busy in the ocean there, on the beach here. One of these nice little sun lounges here. Surfboard rental. Busy here. Very nice. Wow. Really busy section. Literally every sun lounger taken here. Busy on the beach as well. Some people just rolling their towels out here. Many in the ocean as well there in the distance. Wow. Interesting. What a beautiful beach this is. Little huts as well at the back of the beach there. Some people again here. Wow, interesting. Some people are coming on holiday. Vietnam doesn't seem to be affected by the war. Lots of families here, lots of people. Nice. Okay, so just walking up to the back of the beach here now. We're going to get a little bit back on the track. Another place here. Okay, natural flavours, coffee, tea, gelato, food, healthy drink, that one. And then we have another nice one here called Maya, is it? M-A-I-A. Vietnamese flags up here. Wow, look at this. You just walk through here. These little nice seating areas here. Little nice seating areas as well inside. Oh, extremely busy. All the seating areas here. Just look at this. So nice. Busy. There's little seating areas here as well on the beach. Wow. Okay, so there's quite a few people just relaxing under the palm trees here at the back of the beach. And you have to walk through to sections where the sun lounges are. They're not all along the beach here. We have a big vast area of just nothing beach here, so there's not too many people in this location. And then it picks up again. Masses of people here, all on the sun lounges again. Just going to walk through the middle. Wow, yeah, busy again here. Very, very busy. So nice to see when places are busy like this, tourist destinations. It's super nice. Just break out now, it won't walk all the way through. There's seating areas here. So we have something going on at the back there, some kind of restaurant or something. Lots of seating here as well. The drink's 20,000. Hello, how are you, madam?
Hello.
Hello. I don't like bothering the people with the camera, but if they want to say hello, all the birds flying away here, pigeons, and back on the street. So it's quite quiet on the street here. There's lots of hotels. It is very, very busy here. There's one of the big hotels there. So something new is under construction here. So it's going to be another nice restaurant, this. Wow. We have another restaurant here now. Not so busy, this one. I'll just show you the front. It says gelato. Oh, that's why it's only a gelato ice cream. Oh, it just looks as though it sells some spring rolls, beers as well available there. Let's just have a walk through. Nice little seating areas on the beach though. Not as busy as the other ones further along the beach. There's still people here though, however. Very nice, unique seating areas here. They have the wedding seating areas. Have the hammocks there as well. Oh, nice. It's going to take you down to the ocean and have a look at the colour of the ocean. A few people again sat on the beach here. Majority in that direction. And there's a look at the ocean. Crystal clear water. So beautiful. Okay, so just come along a bit further. Something mega is under construction here. Sky Lounge. Looks as though this is going to be some kind of impressive building. There'll be spectacular views overlooking the ocean, which is in that direction. So just next to the Sky Lounge we have Bien. All the seafood options in the tanks there. Something like that. Seafood restaurant. Just show you the board. 1.369 million. Right. So it's got amazing ocean views on the edge there. Wow, we have another nice place here. This is another nice looking place. Kayla. Wow, this is busy as well here. Oh, it's very busy in there. I'll go in that one because we've got to go through the entrance there. There's quite a few tourists in there. Wow. Another section of seating here, just a little bit further along. Again, quite a few tourists here in this area. And then we're just going to walk in. I've just come back round on the other side of the beach. We're going to take in Kayla now. Quite a few people in the ocean in the distance there. And this is the beach side of Kayla. So we've got music going on in here. We'll just give you a view of it from this side. Looks as though a lot of the seating isn't actually here. All the people are sat in there. Just on the sun lounges there. So that's Kayla from the beach side. There's a view out into the ocean. Wow.